I'm now going to give you one way that hearts can exist in the universe and complex things can exist in the universe. And I have to go back to the philosopher Immanuel Kant, whom I'm sure you're going to show. And of course, the main story about Immanuel Kant is that he was brilliant. And I will tell you, I gave up philosophy when I was at Oxford because I thought in order to be a philosopher, you must be as smart as Immanuel Kant. And I finished the syllogism by saying, I am not as smart as Immanuel Kant. Therefore, I will become a doctor. I never could master the syllogism, okay? But I was close. Anyway, here's what Kant said among thousands of brilliant things. He said, an organized being, then, he's thinking of organisms, has the property that the parts exist for and by means of the whole. The parts exist for and by means of the whole. I'm going to call that a Kantian whole. You are a Kantian whole. Okay, you are. I've worried about the origin of life for a long time, and Wim and I work on the idea of autokalatic sets. Let me say it in words, and then you can look at this and be confused. So it's easier to listen to me. Suppose I've got a small protein, they're called peptides, and protein 1 catalyzes a reaction. Catalysis means to speed up a chemical reaction. It catalyzes a reaction that glues together two fragments that constitute peptide 2, making a second copy of peptide 2. Peptide 2 catalyzes a reaction that glues together two fragments, making a second copy of peptide 3, around a set of 9 peptides, where the last one catalyzes the formation of the first one. You have the idea? Peptide 1 catalyzes the formation of a second copy of 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, back to 9 and back around. Just imagine it's a simple circle. That's actually Gonen's set up there. No peptide catalyzes its own formation. The set as a whole has the property that every peptide gets to exist in the set because it helps catalyze the formation of the other peptides in the set, such that the whole exists, and it's precisely a Kantian whole. It's a very simple example of it. It's an autopoietic system. Each part exists for and by means of the whole. Does everybody see that? Okay.